Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Sea Ray 2019 270 Sun Deck, our most popular Sun Deck boat down here in Florida. It starts with the brand new 2019 Mercury. It is powered by the Mercury 300 horsepower. Phenomenal power for this boat. The new design is fantastic, quieter, great motor. Huge storage down here that completely is full, opens up for full storage. And as we walk onto the boat, I'll show you the rest. Here we are on board the 270 Sun Deck. Let's start at the back of the boat. Beautiful seating area, L-shaped seating with storage underneath. You got a nice opposing seating with storage and a cooler underneath here as well. You got a reversible seat here for lounging either way when you're not sitting up here. And then you've got a really nice size head with a pump out. So plenty of room in there to, you can change your clothes and everything that you need down here. Really nice looking helm area. Plenty of room for you, just nicely designed. Storage underneath here, and then you've got the U-shaped seating up front with the two lounges, and then we also have the ladder, which you can deploy. It's a beach boarding ladder. You can deploy it down to the beach, get on and off the boat from the beach without getting wet. Everybody likes that a lot. You got a little spray to rinse the sand off. It's fantastic. So any questions on the boat? My name is Bob Freeman. Please give me a call at 603-213-1194.